What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome back to another video on IMX, or Immutable X is the project. IMX is the token, which we haven't covered in a really long time. I covered Immutable X quite a lot during when I started doing YouTube somewhere in October last year. Covered it quite a lot, but it obviously had some great bullish moves in the beginning, and like right here as well, with volume of 730 million. That was great. So I covered it quite a lot then, like in March, but also a little bit earlier, because it was trending that much. Obviously, it was also trending with things like GameStop. And apart from that, and I think most importantly, Immutable X, I think at least, is a great project. What they're doing, I don't know any other project like it. I mean, you could compare Loopring to it, but then the only real comparison with it would be that they're kind of in the same in the same area of layer 2, and that they're layer 2 solutions. So apart from that, I think Immutable X, as I said, has a great future. The one thing I do have to add though is that there's 12% of the circulation now in circulation, 12% of the supply. That's not that much, so that leaves a lot of room for inflation. So please, if you're interested in Immutable X or you want to invest in it, please research that, because it might be that with staking you can actually like make the inflation zero, but if you're not staking it, there's just going to be a lot of inflation in the supply. So please notice that. Apart from that, IMX is looking very bullish, together with all the other cryptos. I mean, it's great to have another bullish day today. So what's happening right now? First thing we did today is we actually broke above this level right here. And I just want to say, IMX has been, compared to other cryptos, has actually been really bullish. Other cryptos, I mean, IMX, like you could say that we just made higher lows all the time. While other cryptos, they consolidated and then dropped down and are now trying to get back into this area. IMX has actually broken out of that area. So there are two things that are quite important. First one is that we broke above this $1.05 level, which is a great thing. That gives us great support under us. But right now we're at a resistance level right here at 1.15, which is pretty strong too. You got this trend line, which is good. I don't think it's that strong, but it is relatively strong. But apart from that, you also have the 200 EMA, and the 200 EMA is really strong. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting what's going to happen here, right here. What I expect, and I did an analysis on Bitcoin just before this, and I expect IMX to actually, whether it's going to have more bullish momentum than this or not, I think really depends on Bitcoin, and thereby the market. And I think Bitcoin actually has a fair chance at getting some sort of a bullish breakout up towards 32 and 33,000. And if that happens, I think IMX, and also if IMX actually managed to close above this trend line and EMA, which would be, if you're watching this video, I think it's around $1.17. If that happens, I mean, I'm really looking at this level here around 1.3 as my first price target. I think we can reach that either way. I mean, as you can see, IMX is looking pretty bullish. Already took a break retest off of 1.1. It's very small, but you can see it. So I think we can actually reach that 1.3 level today, or maybe tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, GMT +2 for the time zone. But if Bitcoin actually gets that bullish breakout, I think, I mean, a level I'm looking at, like a second resistance level for IMX would be $1.5. That's going to be very tough to hit. That level, it's like, to visualize that a little bit, it's this level up here. That's going to be very tough to hit. It's specifically, it's between 1.43 and 1.5. That's going to be tough to hit because we would need momentum from IMX, and I think more in the market. So some form of a bullish breakout for the bigger cryptos, which is definitely possible. But as I said, it depends on a little bit more. As for now though, I'm quickly going to upload this video because IMX does look like it's pumping a little bit, as you can see live in the video. So yeah, if you do have any questions about the analysis or about IMX or about the video, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening. If you found the video valuable, please make sure to like and subscribe if you want to. For now though, and the most important thing, thank you all for watching and listening. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.